your skin is actually dry or normal or combination, etc. So let me tell you one very simple test which you can do it for yourself. This is called the bare face test. Now when are you going to do this test? You will be doing it on a day when it's not very humid or not very dry. That's when you will be able to understand perfectly your skin type. Now, what are you going to do early in the morning? When you wake up, you will be cleansing your face with a face wash. Whatever face wash you use, you can use that. And after that, for 30 minutes, you will not be doing anything on your face. Dab it with your towel, and that's it. You just sit and wait. So for half an hour, you keep it just like that, and then you look in front of the mirror and try to understand what has happened to your face. If you see that all over your face there's a lot of oil or shiny spots, that's when you will understand that you have oily skin. Okay, your skin is feeling tight, somewhere it is flaky, dry, uneasy, you're feeling unpleasant. That's where you will understand that you have dry skin. Next is you're seeing that your face looks somewhat dry, but at the same time, some spots you can see that it's oily. That's why you will understand you have combination skin. And next is you can see that your face is somewhat red, or maybe you are feeling like itching, you have some kind of sensitivity. That's where you will understand that you have got a sensitive skin. Now sensitive skin can be combined with normal skin or dry skin or combination skin as well. Okay, now the next type of skin is when you see that there's a lot of pigmentation, you've got a lot of lines on your face. That's where you will understand that you have got a mature skin. Okay, mature skin tends to be a little dry also, so you can even categorize yourself as mature dry skin. So now the thing that which we Indians face, mostly nobody talks about, is that we are facing a lot of sun exposure, air pollution, there's a lot of humidity, hard water. So, keeping all these four in mind, we have to follow a skincare routine. Now, let me tell you before talking about the skincare routine is that each and every time, like whenever there's a change of a season, your skincare routine might change. Not for all, but for some. Like for me, there's too much humid, I have to apply a different moisturizer. If it's too dry, I'm applying a different moisturizer. So that problem also I'm facing. But then during summer, I'll give you an example. Like for example, you have seen that you have got dry skin. Okay, so during summer you're facing, you can see that your skin has become combination. Winter it is dry. Some people, those who have normal skin, tend to get a little bit a combination skin during summer. Winter it has become a little dry. And then dry skin people sometimes can get combination skin during summer. Winter it is totally dry. So it can change from season to season, from season to season it can change. Now many of you already know your skincare routine, many of you still are confused, many of you are confused regarding your routine. You either want to change or you're still confused what to do. Already I've given you a solution that why sometimes it doesn't work, because you're not playing or you're not following according to the weather. That is why sometimes your face is becoming too oily when you are putting the product, or your face is becoming too dry and you have to continuously put your moisturizer, because maybe your skin is feeling very dry but you're using a light moisturizer. So this kind of problem will happen if you don't apply the correct products. Now first let me share regarding the routine. First you are going to cleanse your face. There are a lot of dermatologists sharing that you don't have to use a face wash early in the morning. Now, I don't know. I don't know, because since during summer I have kind of oily skin, and sometimes I really feel it feels a little dirty as well. And since I have to go out for work, I have to apply a face wash. Now it is completely up to you. If you don't feel like putting a face wash, you don't have to. If you feel like putting a face wash, you can. So it is completely up to you, it's your choice. Okay, but the thing is, you are going to clean your face with either a face wash or with water early in the morning. But when you are coming back or in the evening, you must always do double cleansing. It is a must, especially if you are putting very heavy makeup, or if you're putting a very good, I mean, if you're putting sunscreen, you have to double cleanse. So either you can purchase any oil cleansing balm or oil cleanser, uh, or you can use micellar water also in order to clean your face first, and then you use a face wash. This I'm talking about the evening. In the morning, either you use water or you can use your manpasand, your favorite face wash. That will do. Next essential is you will use a toner. Now many of you, you don't use a toner, right? I even sometimes skip toner, but that's essential, so I am going to talk about it. But if you're using a toner, please, you do not use the alcohol based ones, because it strips the oil out from your face. Now oily skin, you must be thinking, ooh la la, I love alcohol toner. But let me tell you, you are stripping off the oil, and what happens, you're producing more oil, so it's not going to work. Always use a hydrating toner, it is going to help. Next, serum. Now you must be saying, oh, now comes the main product. Let me tell you, if you do not have any skin concern, do not use a serum. Now there will be a lot of people who will be, showing me different kind of faces, but yes, it is true. If there is no concern, please do not use a serum. You don't need it. Okay. Now, if you have a particular concern, then you will be using a serum. That is also an essential for people, those who have concerns. So for that, I'm going to share in detail on the next video. Okay. This video is completely going to be about your skin and the skincare routine. So serum, if you need, if you do not need, you don't have to. Now next, after a serum, this is the essential. Okay, if you are going out or if you're not going out, whenever you are washing your face, always apply a moisturizer. Now oily skin people, you're looking at my face, you're not putting any moisturizer on your face, right? Why? Because khub to tel tela. But let me tell you that if you are keeping on putting water and letting it evaporate, what is happening underneath? From underneath, oil is coming out continuously, and that is the reason why you are keeping on having oily skin. Once try using a gel moisturizer or a very light moisturizer. Use very little, apply it on your face, and tell me whether your face becomes too oily or not. Do tell me. Now I can understand, many years back even I never used to put any moisturizer, but honestly speaking, we did not have too many options. We had that either the Pond's cold cream or the Nivea cream. Both are very heavy cream, and if I apply it on my face, then dikhte hobe na. And otherwise we had those Fair and Lovely. So what am I going to put on my face? But right now there are so many options. Like right now only I can show you that whenever my skin really feels very um, combination skin or very oily because the weather is humid, or then I'm using this very light moisturizer. But when there's dry weather, right now it has rained and it's completely pleasant, so during that time I use this moisturizer, or it's an emulsion. It's a little bit heavier than the one which I've shown. So this is how I understand my skin, and I apply the moisturizer accordingly, but I do not skip a moisturizer. It is an essential. And people, those who are always staying in an air conditioned room without a moisturizer. Anyway, now next, and this is an essential only during the morning time, that is a sunscreen. Now I don't think I have to talk about sunscreen. Let me tell you, since the moment I have started using sunscreen, the texture of my face, the complexion, everything has enhanced. It's because of a sunscreen. Sunscreen is your skin's best makeup. So it is an essential. And at the same time, if you're putting a sunscreen, apply it at least 20 minutes or 15 minutes before you start your makeup. Okay. and always put an SPF 50 plus, PA 4 plus sunscreen. In this kind of a weather, we need that. Another one, there are a lot of different types of sunscreen. You will find the matte ones, the moisturizing ones. So if your skin is very oily, use the matte ones. If your skin is very dry, use the moisturizing ones. There are a lot of sunscreen available in the market. Whichever one you really feel comfortable, you can use, but do not skip a sunscreen. Now another very important thing is reapplying sunscreen, and let me tell you, we don't do that, right? Because in the kind of place that we live in, there's too much of air pollution, there's too much of dust, and I can understand applying sunscreen on top of makeup where there's a lot of dust particles on the face also. We actually feel very uh, we actually feel very ew to apply sunscreen, right? So for that, you can use a sunscreen spray like this. Okay, this really works. This one shows or claims that it is SPF 70 PA 4 plus. I don't know how much it works, but let me tell you, it really, when I'm leaving at 1 o'clock from my workplace, at least when I'm applying this, I feel that okay, I have reapplied something. So that is the reason why I have even recommended this to my friends, and they have even said that this is really wonderful. So if you want to use this, you can use, or otherwise, there are a lot of different sunscreen sprays, you can use those. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and there's a lot more. Let me tell you, I've been reading a lot of books, and I've been trying to start from scratch. Okay, because I would want to learn and share whatever new things I come to know, and I just want to make this a safe and a happy place for all of you, so that we all can learn something, but at the same time, not being bored. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me tell you, very soon I'm going to upload the next volume also. And I would really love if you subscribe to my channel and press the bell button, so that you get a notification when I'll be uploading the volume 2. Bye bye. See you again next time.